Hello guys, it's Rose from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. Today we are gonna study 3 Korean words. 오늘은 3가지 한글 단어를 배워볼 거예요. First of all, I'm gonna review heat. Consonant heat. Its pronunciation is he, it. Okay, and here plus basic vowels, here plus a is ha, ha. Here plus ya is ya, ya. Here plus is ha, ha. Here plus ya is hya, hya. Here plus e is he, he. And here plus o is ho, ho. Here plus yo is hyo, hyo. Here plus u is hu, hu. Here plus u is hyu, hyu. Here plus is hu, hu. So ha, hya, ho, hyo, he, ho, hyo, hu, hyu, hu. Okay? And let's have a look. This page headline is 자음과 모음을 더해요. 자음 is consonants. These are consonants. 자음, and 모음 is vowels. These are 모음, vowels. And 더해요 means plus. Because consonants plus vowel is complete letter, 한글, right? And the first one, here plus a. So this is ha, ha. And tiet plus is t, t. So this is heart. Heart is just heart. Heart in Korean is 하트, 하트. So in Korea, when we take a photo, and we gesture is like this. This is 하트. And second one, here h plus u. So this is hu. And 치읓 is ch, and u plus u is 추. So 후추. 후추 is pepper. Pepper? Is that right? So 후추, pepper in Korean is 후추, 후추. So last one, here plus o, ho. And 시옷 is s plus u is 수, 호수. So 호수 is lake. Lake in Korean is 호수, 호수. Heart, 의 한국말은 하트, 입니다. 그리고 pepper의 한국말은 후추입니다. 그리고 lake is like liver, but small liver is lake. lake의 한국말은 호수입니다. And I'm gonna say everything one more time. 하, 야, 허, 혀, 히, 호, 효, 후, 휴, 흐. Heart in Korean is 하트. Pepper in Korean is 후추. Lake in Korean is 호수. And thank you for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 다음에 봐요.